Hey guys, Galaxy here, and this is basically I'm not gonna, sheet post. I'm not gonna say the actual word because, I'm trying to make my channel at least somewhat kid-friendly, even though some of my gotcha videos has cursing, but, videos? Okay then. But, this is my friend's channel. Go subscribe to them. They created this video, and it just is a thing. You know what? You can just see for yourself. I'll put the link to the video, or not the video, her channel. Oh, no, not her. Their channel in the description. Sorry, something happened. They used to be a girl. They're still figuring out their term, so they're pretty sure they're, they, non-binary. That's all I'm gonna say because it's personal, so if I keep switching between, like, gender terms, I'm sorry, that's just what's happening, and I'm used to calling them a girl term, so let's get into the video. Warning, this is loud. Oh wait, no, the video's not going on, sound is not going on. I'm gonna try and make it as quiet as possible, but here.
Let me know. Okay, so Ted isn't gonna scream, right? Yes, she is. Oh, okay. I was just gonna breath for a second. I mean,
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Come on. Okay, wait. You let me know when. Let me know when you want it. Let me know with the 3-minute countdown. Okay, 3 minutes. Not yet. Wait, I'm doing it. Dude, I'm doing it.
This is crazy.
Where's my mic on this? Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, ready? No. Okay. Wait, not yet.
What is going on, Jib?
Okay. Okay, you ready? I don't think I should scream because both my parents are in the house now, so like I can't scream either. I screamed twice already. I'm afraid my mom's gonna come in. My mom's gonna yell at me. Okay, wait.
Jib, what about your mom? I know you can't hear me in this video, but you can still tell me after the other video. But what about your mom? Your house looks so small from the Discord call.
Well, it's a 3-minute countdown, dude. 3 minutes, wow. I mean 3 seconds. Okay, wait.
It's 3 minutes in this video.
Okay. Okay, everybody ready for this? Oh my god! Cool.
Jesus Christ!
It keeps coming off.
They sound like a horse! It's a pony!
Shut up! Hold on, I'm gonna rejoin. Can you guys hear me better now? No. Yes. Okay, wait, why did Ted leave? She was scared of us screaming. Or maybe she just stayed up all night and like... Wait, she was like, should we wait for Angelica to get online?
Is this upside down? This is upside down.
Okay, we're all gonna...
I just realized someone has a flamingo thing.
Okay, you guys ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, E!
So off time. Is even the right one? You can listen to that. Because there's the one they sent me that's supposed to be like...
Okay, everybody say
it is the right one.
Goodbye. Are you gonna say goodbye, Yuki, or are you just gonna stand there and just be like... Bye-bye.
Okay. Anyways, I didn't watch the whole thing before. I just saw the link and immediately heard the scream, and I just, like, nope. I heard the scream. I didn't watch the whole thing. I watched up to, like, here. 24 seconds. Or, like, a minute. And then it just, I didn't watch the whole thing.
Okay.
But, I didn't, not because of this purpose. I watched this a while ago. Just not the whole thing. I think I don't know. But, this is hilarious, but, like, loud. So, if you had headphones on, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about your ears. It's hilarious, though. Good job. Anyways, bye.